आदलो टुरिझम मंत्री आणि नुवेचो आमदार मिकी परत कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीत सापडला। उतोर्डा बिचार भर लोकांमध्ये अत्यंत बेशिस्त, रॅश आणि निष्काळजीपणान टोयोटा प्राडो चलयताना सापडला। आपल्या पॅराशूटाची वाट लायली म्हणून वॉटर स्पोर्ट्सवाल्या मिलरॉयान मिकीक जाब विचारली आणि मिकी वागता कसो तो पळयात। बुरशे शिनाल पळयात। हो खंय नुवे बाणावलेचो आदलो आमदार मंत्री।
This is the owner who's been driving the vehicle who went on my shoot. Okay, all these guys are with him, and this is the guy who was driving the shoot. Okay, he went on the shoot which was lying on the beach, which is not supposed to drive the vehicle on the beach, but see him. So this
जाब विचारली म्हणून मिलरॉयाक मिकीच्या कंपनीच्यो बुरशो गाळयो वेल्यान त्याच्या आंगार गेले।
Yo, they think he has got the law and they can. He's not supposed to get the vehicle on the beach. Come on, all you people, come on. He bought the ex-MLA's name. There you go. They're not supposed to go on the beach. These are the guys who went on the beach. And there's the ex-MLA of Nuwe constituency. You're not supposed to go on the beach. I'm telling you, you're not supposed to ride the vehicle on the beach. I'm talking to you.
इतल्यान जाले ना तरी खंय आटपना म्हणून निमणे मिकी खंय त्याच्या आंगार गाडी घालपाचो।
He's trying to kill me. He's trying to run with the vehicle over here. There you go. He's trying to kill me. Here, see. I'm here. He's trying to kill me. He's gone crazy.
हो सगळो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाल्या उपरांत आशिल्ली नाशिल्ली लज वाऱ्यार गेली म्हणून कळटकीच मिकी मंगळारा मिडिया मुखार आयलो आणि आयलो तो असले क्लॅरिफिकेशन घेऊन। तो खंय कोणाक तरी सालवार करून गाडी घेऊन गेल्लो।
एक पिक्चर दाखवतो, एकूच पिक्चर दाखवतो that Mickey is abusing her or anybody else, but I only abuse and stop her son who's doing videography. When I was having food in the restaurant, he also abused me, saying bloody ex-tourism minister. Okay, and even after editing video, let him show his mother show that I ran my car on their
In India, there is a law saying that if you want to drive the vehicle on beaches, you have to take a prior permission from the RTO. Are you aware of the law?
You let me see there are so many vehicles who's plying on the beach.
Are you agreeing that you drove the vehicle?
My vehicle was down because I was called by somebody that somebody sick, and my four-wheel drive went down to save somebody's life. And I don't think that I did any wrong. I need a foot drive. I will not see the law. I will make sure that I will safety safety pole the law.
But nowhere you have taken the patient to the hospital.
So this is not the first time. I have been gone many times.
मिलरॉयाच्या आवयन मिकी आड पुलीस कागाळ नोंद केल्या आणि इतलो सगळो धुडगूस व्हिडिओचेर दिसून नये पुलीस एनसी करून मेकळे। जाय जाल्यार खंय कंप्लेनंटान कोर्टान वचपाचे। सरकारी ऑफिसराचेर हात घालो म्हणून एकदा भितर पडून आयिल्लो हो आदलो मंत्री आमदार वागता तो पळयल्यार अजून मातूय बुद्ध शिकलासो दिसना। राज्यपाला कडेन ख्यास्त माफी सोदतालो तो हेच खातीर। प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस।